Welcome to our 5 Minutes Learning YouTube channel. Today, let's unravel the captivating story of Rolex's supply chain management. For over 5 decades, Rolex has reigned supreme in the luxury watch industry, symbolizing elegance and success coveted worldwide. Despite fierce competition from brands like Omega, Breitling, and Patek Philippe, Rolex has maintained its position as the top Swiss watch manufacturer, creating a buzz with its legendary Rolex waitlist. In recent years, the demand for Rolex watches has soared, leading to widespread fascination and speculation about the intricacies of its supply chain management. Enthusiasts often discuss the challenges of acquiring a Rolex at retail price, joking about the elusive nature of these coveted timepieces. But what lies behind Rolex's supply chain dynamics? Is the scarcity intentional, or is it a result of genuine production constraints? Many wonder if Rolex is reaching its production limits and if expansion plans are on the horizon. To unravel the mysteries of Rolex's operations, let's delve into its renowned supply chain management system, known for its precision and efficiency. Why doesn't Rolex increase production? Rolex, the iconic luxury watchmaker, has long been renowned for its exceptional craftsmanship and unwavering commitment to quality. However, as demand for Rolex watches continues to surge, many wonder why the company doesn't simply increase production to meet this growing demand. The truth is, Rolex is indeed expanding its production capabilities. Plans for a new factory set to significantly boost output by 2029, along with the addition of 3 temporary facilities by 2025, are underway. This move is aimed at supporting growth and addressing the ever-increasing demand for Rolex timepieces. Despite this expansion, Rolex remains steadfast in its dedication to maintaining the highest standards of quality. The company's integrated manufacturing process, which includes in-house production of materials like gold, platinum, and proprietary stainless steel, ensures that each watch meets Rolex's exacting specifications. While some components are sourced externally, Rolex's stringent quality control measures guarantee the excellence of every timepiece. One might question why Rolex doesn't simply purchase more materials and ramp up production further. However, the answer lies in Rolex's commitment to excellence. The company's parts manufacturing is largely automated, allowing for flexibility in production quantities. Yet, Rolex has made it clear that they will not compromise on quality to meet demand. In a statement addressing the global shortage of Rolex watches, the company emphasized that maintaining exceptional quality takes precedence over meeting exhaustive demand. Rolex's reputation for impeccable craftsmanship is well established, with its watches representing the pinnacle of quality in the industry. While rare instances of defective dials have surfaced, they serve as a reminder of Rolex's relentless pursuit of perfection and the meticulous quality control measures in place. In essence, Rolex's decision not to drastically increase production is rooted in its unwavering commitment to delivering watches of unparalleled quality, reliability, and robustness. This dedication to excellence is what continues to set Rolex apart as a symbol of timeless luxury and prestige. Rolex manufacturing process. Rolex's commitment to quality extends beyond mere craftsmanship. It encompasses a deeply integrated approach to manufacturing that sets them apart from many competitors in the luxury watch industry. Unlike other brands that rely heavily on external suppliers for components, Rolex takes pride in producing a substantial portion of its watch parts in-house. This level of vertical integration allows Rolex to exercise meticulous control over every aspect of production, from raw materials to finished products. For instance, Rolex operates its own foundry, where they process gold and platinum to exacting standards, ensuring not only the quality but also the exclusivity of their timepieces. Rolex, renowned for its meticulous in-house production, maintains a reputation for crafting nearly all components of its watches internally. However, there are 2 notable exceptions to this rule: the hands and the crystal. These components, while not produced in-house, are carefully selected to meet Rolex's exacting standards of quality and durability. This hands-on approach to material sourcing and processing is a testament to Rolex's unwavering commitment to excellence. While some components, such as their proprietary stainless steel, are sourced externally, Rolex subjects them to rigorous testing and quality checks to meet their stringent criteria. This blend of internal production and external sourcing gives Rolex the flexibility to maintain high standards while adapting to market demands and technological advancements. By employing premium materials and upholding uncompromising standards, Rolex reinforces the notion that owning one of their watches signifies not just luxury but also a symbol of prestige and exclusivity. This integrated manufacturing process is not just a practical strategy for Rolex, it's a cornerstone of their brand identity and the hallmark of their enduring legacy in the world of haute horlogerie. This insight into Rolex's sourcing practices sheds light on the intricate craftsmanship and attention to detail that define each Rolex timepiece. While some components may come from trusted external sources, Rolex's commitment to excellence remains unwavering, ensuring that every watch that bears the Rolex name upholds the brand's legacy of exceptional quality and precision. Rolex employs a clever blend of automation and traditional craftsmanship in its manufacturing processes. The majority of its production is automated, utilizing advanced machinery to create parts with exceptional precision according to precise specifications. Skilled watchmakers then assemble these parts with great care, using a technique often described as handmade industrial. This approach enables Rolex to uphold its legacy of fine craftsmanship while ensuring consistency and efficiency in production. The integration of automation allows Rolex to be more adaptable in adjusting production quantities compared to brands that heavily rely on manual labor. This flexibility is crucial for responding to changes in demand and effectively managing inventory levels without compromising on the quality that Rolex is renowned for. The truth behind making a Rolex watch. Rolex's claim that it takes a year to make one of their watches might seem astonishing, but it's essential to understand the context behind this statement. The intricate process of crafting a Rolex involves numerous steps, including meticulous testing and quality control measures. When you factor in the production of hundreds of parts and the various phases of assembly, testing, and certification, the timeline adds up. However, it's crucial to note that Rolex, like any high-volume manufacturer, operates in batches. This means that, while it may indeed take a year to complete the entire process for a single watch, Rolex produces watches in large quantities simultaneously. This batch production approach allows them to maintain consistency and quality while meeting the demand for their timepieces. You might notice clusters of users on watch forums receiving their watches around the same time, indicating that Rolex delivers batches of watches to authorized dealers periodically. This approach helps Rolex manage their production efficiently and ensures a steady supply of watches on the market. So, while it's not strictly accurate to say that it takes a year to make a single Rolex watch from start to finish, the timeline reflects the comprehensive and rigorous manufacturing process that upholds Rolex's reputation for excellence and precision in watchmaking. Rolex's distribution strategy. At the core of Rolex's supply chain management lies its distribution model, characterized by stringent control and meticulous planning. The brand delivers watches to authorized dealers in carefully orchestrated batches, with dealers having limited say in the models they receive. This allocation system, combined with Rolex's policy of maintaining consistent pricing across retailers, ensures fairness and equity within its distribution network while reinforcing its premium brand image through exclusive channels. However, what many Rolex customers may not realize is the strictness of the Rolex distribution model. Watches are delivered in batches, and dealers have little control over the allocation of in-demand models. Dealers often don't know which Rolexes they will receive until shortly before the shipment arrives. This system means dealers cannot always fulfill specific customer requests for popular models, such as sports models like the Submariner. While some models can be ordered, especially non-sports models like the Rolex Datejust 36, there is no guaranteed timeframe for delivery. Additionally, the wholesale price of Rolex models is around 65% of the retail price, creating incentives for dealers to prioritize high-spending customers who seek coveted steel models. This dynamic contributes to the challenge many customers face in acquiring the most sought-after Rolex watches. Unauthorized dealers and watch resellers operate based on volume rather than speculation. Their goal is to buy watches at wholesale market prices and sell them at retail market prices, regardless of the manufacturer's suggested retail price. These dealers react to supply and demand but do not control it. While some enthusiasts may be frustrated by seeing numerous Rolexes listed for sale online or displayed in certain locations, this represents only a fraction of Rolex's overall production. In reality, there is a significant demand for Rolexes among customers every day. Visiting an authorized Rolex dealer or a second-hand watch store that sells Rolexes reveals the genuine and continuous demand for these watches. Customers inquire about Rolex repeatedly, indicating the ongoing popularity and desirability of the brand's timepieces. Conclusion: Rolex's strategy of scarcity contributes significantly to its desirability among consumers. The deliberate limitation of watch production creates an aura of exclusivity, making Rolex timepieces highly coveted. This scarcity factor drives unprecedented demand for Rolex watches, leading to the legendary Rolex waitlist phenomenon. To address this soaring demand, Rolex is undergoing substantial expansion efforts. Plans for a new factory to be completed by 2029 and the operation of 3 temporary facilities by 2025 demonstrate Rolex's dedication to meeting increasing demand while upholding its renowned standards of quality. Although these expansions are expected to boost output by approximately 25%, Rolex remains unwavering in its commitment to prioritizing quality over quantity. We anticipate that the Rolex waitlist phenomenon will persist as watch enthusiasts continue to value Rolex's unwavering dedication to exceptional craftsmanship and quality. In essence, Rolex exemplifies excellence and innovation in the luxury watch industry by seamlessly blending traditional craftsmanship with modern automation, ensuring that each timepiece embodies timeless elegance and exceptional craftsmanship.